preparing chicken omelette. Oil. Next, chicken.
Chicken.
It's frying. It's looking like a. One day make like this, no? One day make like this, no? That is chicken omelette, you know? I make there. One day I make. First day. Next, salt. Next, chili powder. Next, turmeric powder. Little bit ginger garlic paste. Next, little bit garam masala powder. It's mixing time. Wait some time. Next, let's take out. Wow, yummy, yummy. Next, 2 spoons of milk. Next, turmeric powder. Little bit chili powder. Little bit salt. And little bit garam masala. And little bit ginger garlic paste. And 1 green chili and 1 onions. Let's beat the eggs. Let's start. Let's pour some oil. Let's start. Cheese. Mom, turn aside. Oh, it's so yummy. I want to get it. Mom, please take out the plate, Mom. I'm very, very hungry. Let's eat. So friends, it's so yummy, yummy. Let's eat more. Bye bye friends. Do your home like this. If you like it, please subscribe and press the bell button.